Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about human skeleton system. Do you know? The skeletal system is the internal framework of bones and cartilage that supports and protects our bodies. Now let's learn about structure of bones. Outer layer of bone is compact and dense, providing strength, while the inner structure is porous for lightweight support. Next comes types of bones. In human body, there are long bones like femur, short bones like carpals, flat bones like skull, and irregular bones like vertebrae. Kids, do you know bones cannot move on their own? They need muscles and joints. And bones are joined to muscles via tendons. Kids, for movement, muscles work in pairs. One relaxes and other contracts, like bicep and triceps of your arm. Next, there are some interesting facts about skeleton system too. Do you know there are 206 bones in the adult human body, and human baby is born with 300 bones, but as they grow, their few bones fuses together. Lastly, we will discuss function of skeleton system. Main functions of skeleton system are support, protection, movement, mineral storage, and blood cell production. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.